So I have been working on setting up the actual Depop account, which I've finally finished, like actually getting all of the little things in it set up. Still haven't learned exactly how to do the shipping and listing stuff that I intend on, but I'm going to show you the actual account now. So this is what the actual Depop account looks like. I usually won't be doing this on my computer because I'm usually going to be on the app that's on my phone, but it is called Y'all's Closet. As you can see, I have 0 reviews, and this is where stuff that I'm selling would show up. You can also like and save stuff, just like social media, like I mentioned before. This is my little profile picture I made. Yeah. So now I'm currently going through these setup steps on the app. I have written a bio, connected my Instagram account, and now I am setting up my PayPal. So I just completed the account setup, and I don't think you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. It says you're open for business. And so now I have the option to list items. Yay! So I'm now setting up some of the shop policies that you have the option to set up, things like return policies, how you handle bundling items, and how you handle shipping, packaging, international selling, which I've decided I'm not going to be selling internationally. Depop started out in the UK, so it is somewhat of a big deal there, but a lot of it has moved to the United States, so I don't think it'll have too much of an impact on business if I choose not to ship internationally. So I figured the best way to try and learn how to ship and list items would just be to do a practice. You can't see the screen, I don't know how I'm doing that. Okay. But so I'm kind of making like a fake listing that no one's really going to see because it's just going to stay in my drafts. But you can add up to 5 pictures. You write a description, which you have 1,000 characters for, which I think will be plenty. You tag the categories and the item price you can just set. I'm going to try to keep my items under $10 unless there's something that I think is really just valuable or something, then it could be more. But I'll go about that like with each individual item. And then the thing I was most concerned about when doing this was the shipping, which I have learned is actually pretty simple, more simple than I thought it was going to be. You estimate the size of the item by its weight, which I have a scale, luckily. And then you can either choose free shipping, which basically means that you pay for it and the buyer doesn't pay for it, or you can have the buyer pay for the shipping, which is different than Poshmark, which I've used before, because the buyer always pays for the shipping on that. But I think this will be interesting to try and do free shipping because it just deducts the price of the shipping out of your profit, or like the money that you earn from that sale. And then the last thing that I've learned from doing this, which might have been nice to know before, but I'm glad I figured it out now, is that Depop deducts a 10% fee from every sale, which isn't that much. I know on Poshmark it's a minimum of $3. So if you make a $5 sale, then $3 are getting deducted from it no matter what. And then it goes up incrementally as it gets larger. So like a $10 sale would have more than $3 deducted. So that's a lot lower fee than Poshmark. So that is all for this progress report. I am happy to have the account set up and finally start getting pictures taken of items and start listing them soon. Stay tuned.